Max, if you had any character at all, I am sure that I would hate you.
You couldn't hate me. I'm too loving.
Here, Detweiler, there's a long-distance call from Billyeff.
I'll take it.
Straight line. Upstairs. Right away. Put your uniforms on and report back here. Immediately. Fraulein Maria, where did you get these abominations? Out of a nightmare?
No. Out of some curtains. The curtains that used to hang in my bedroom. There was plenty of wear lamps in them.
You don't mean to tell me that my children have been walking around the neighborhood wearing curtains?
They've become very popular. Everyone smiles at them.
No wonder.
They say, there go Captain Von Trapp's children.
My children have always been a credit to my name.
Oh, but Captain, they weren't. They were just unhappy little marching machines.
Don't tell me about my children.
But you're not home long enough to know them
I
yourself.
said, don't tell me about my children.
Well, you must hear about them. Take Liesel. Liesel isn't a child anymore, and if you keep treating her like one, you're going to have a mutiny on your hands. And Friedrich's shy and aloof. He's afraid to be himself. He needs your confidence.
Don't tell me about my son.
Well, Brigitte could tell you about him if you got to know her better. She notices things, and she always tells the truth, especially when you don't want to hear it. And Kurt is shy and sensitive. He's easily hurt, and you brush him aside the way you do all of them. I'm not finished yet. Louisa just wants to have a good time. And Marta, well, I don't know about her yet, but somebody's got to find out about her. And little Gretel just wants to be loved. Oh, love little Gretel, Captain. Love all of them.
Stop! Stop! You will pack your things and return back to the Abbey as soon as possible.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said those things. At least, not in the way I said them.
After you go...
With the sound of music.
What's that?
Singing.
Who's singing?
Your children.
Oh, you must
My
hear.
children sing?
I wanted them to sing for Frau Schrader when they met her.
The sound of